So yeah, I bought a home for my drone. Oh yeah. Good afternoon, evening, or morning, whatever it is, whatever time you are. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're staying healthy. I got some gear today, some new gear. So if you looked at my previous videos, I bought a drone, a Phantom 3 Advanced. So with that drone, I was like, I need a case because I'm not going to spend all that money and then not have a case or something to carry it around. My drone needed a home. So I did some research and I bought a case, a carrying case for my drone. Luggage, it's drone luggage. It is from a company called Crazepony and it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna review that, and it's awesome. I enjoy gear. My only complaint so far, I haven't used this a lot. I literally just got it out of the box and put my drone in it. And everything fits, which is what I wanted, is that it doesn't look like it's very comfortable to carry on hikes or long extended times where you're sweating and it's rubbing up against stuff. I've been in the military for a long time. I've been in the infantry. I was in the infantry for 12 years. We carried a lot of weight for a long distance and this doesn't look comfortable at all. But on a funnier note, there's a picture that I will put in here and I will put a little commentary on it because it just triggered me. That's all. Just triggered me. Triggered a rant. So other than that, my only complaint about this gear so far, it didn't come with any instructions. I mean, it doesn't really need instructions, but it came in a box and it had plastic on it, and that's the only thing that it came with. So very simple to use, obviously. It's a zipper, and I will show you everything. Mainly dig out. All right, before I start off, I just gotta say this picture is horrible. He looks really cool, whoever's in the picture, but if anybody's ever hiked with a backpack on their back for an extended period of time with a little bit of weight, will tell you that this is horrible. This is a horrible way to carry any type of backpack or any weight on your back. I'm just saying, I have no complaints about this box, but this picture is just killing me. I thought this was funny. So I'm gonna start off with the straps and the back first, or not the back, whatever side you wanna call this. This is the side that will be carrying it. And to me, that's an important part if you're hiking with it. I'm not hiking a long ways. I will do little hikes, but my hiking days are over. But if someone is hiking with this, I don't think they're gonna have a good time. It's maybe a little complaint, maybe I'm being a Sally, but whatever. There's not a lot of padding here, and that's fairly hard, which is good if you're traveling on a plane or you put it in the back of your truck or your car. You need a hard surface to protect whatever you're storing inside your drone, because that drone's expensive. But for hiking, like I don't really see it. The straps are cool. I don't know how this would, fare on a long hike, but that's a pretty cool looking strap to me. But these pads there's nothing. The only thing they're gonna do is absorb sweat. That's all they're gonna do on a long hike. So this case is from Crazepony. If I didn't mention it before, I don't like mentioning prices, but it was $54 or $55, whatever price. It was around $55, which compared to other cases, there was one that was 100 and something. Or there's more expensive cases out there, probably better quality, who knows. I looked at this and it had a 4.5 rating, or not 4.5, it had four and a half stars. for a rating, and I was like, yes, okay, that works. Right in the good price, a good price, and right, you know, people liked it. People liked it. Like I said, I'm not going to be, my hiking days are over with. I may go on little hikes, but I'm not going to go on the 10 to 15 to 20 mile hikes anymore. So this is perfect. This is perfect, or I thought it was perfect. We'll see how it goes. I haven't really brought it out yet or hiked with it. I just got this today. So how you open this is there's a zipper on the bottom, and you unzip it. Obviously, I'm not going to explain how you unzip things, but you need to open it from the back. Unless you're not like me and you don't put extra stuff in there. I stuff as much stuff as I can in there that'll fit appropriately. Like this is actually for the drone. This is the hold the gimbal, the camera's in place. But I put my GoPro, whatever wires I have in here, because I like to keep everything in one spot that I use. But that is how you should open that up. Or not, do whatever you want to do. That's how I'm going to open this up. But as you can see, it fits everything in here well. Like you have room for 3 batteries. I only have 1. 4 batteries if there's one in the drone. It fits everything. It fits everything that you need. A beginner needs. There's some, like I said, there's some amazing cases out there, but they're going to cost you. Minor complaint, it's not really a complaint. You have to take this bag has all the propellers, and I have extra propellers in that bag. The bag came with the drone. The extra propellers came with the drone too, but I put them in the bag, but you have to take the propellers off the drone to fit it in here. Not a big problem, but my suggestion is, and they're marked on which way they rotate. If you look at the, I'll post a picture in this too. But they have directions on how the propeller rotates. You can look at that, which I guarantee, because I am the way I am, I'm gonna put one on wrong at least once or twice or 5 times. So if I was an intelligent person, before I took the blades off, I would made a mark on what goes where, but I did not do that. Anyway, this is the case. It's very simple. It's not complex at all. It's a case. I have my GoPro in here. I hope I enjoy it, and I should. I'm not taking, maybe if I ever get on a plane, I'll take it on a plane with me, but this is an awesome case. It's an awesome home for my drone. So it's not sitting around my house, something happens to it, or a kid drops a toy on it, or some cat destroys it. Anything that could happen in my house, I'm secure. It's safe. All right, mainly dig out.